Okay, this is called Avenida de Guimara, and we'll just kind of give you a little context, and then we're going to show you where we're going to go. Is directly down in all this construction part, and just kind of show you this. It keeps changing, so we'll try to keep up on top of it a little bit, and I'll tell you all the detail about it too.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Avenida de Guimara. So let's kind of navigate a little bit. So we're going to start with all this construction here, and I'll just kind of try to show you as much as I can. So yeah, right here you can see all this construction, and then you can see what they're doing is building a little skyway. So the skyway is going to go all the way down to the train station, and then pedestrians can come up and down this whole street. So I have filmed in here from kind of progressing slowly from beginning. So hopefully when it's all done, I can maybe put some video together and kind of show all the progress of it. But yeah, at the moment we have a lot of you know, this kind of construction part, and we'll walk down and just kind of show you. It definitely affects businesses, right? Yeah, and actually the traffic too. So it's not so interesting in this spot, but you can see there's some residential apartments right here. I wonder if they get a discount on their rent. Probably not. Happy hour. Buy one, get one free. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down Guimara. And now you can see a little bit of construction in here. So let me just see if we can follow it down a little bit. There we go. So that's a little bit of it. So you can basically see, I can see that as well. It's actually two layers, two levels up there as well. And we're gonna go all the way down. And then we're gonna navigate across the street a little bit. Okay, let's see. So now you can see more of the construction. So they're kind of turning up the street, getting in there a little bit. This is Rua de Nam Kang. I filmed that, and it goes all the way down to there. So let's just kind of check out more of this construction part. So yeah, they're putting everything in these pipes. Pulled everything up, including this. Yeah. Okay. Let's kind of check out more of this. Looks like it's kind of getting to be nighttime, which means break time, I guess. But you got at least, you know, a green crane, yellow crane. There's like 3 cranes, red crane, right in this spot. So yeah, it should be pretty interesting when it's done. Little skyway to connect all the way down to the end of the street. I'm not sure what's going to be down there. Right now, this is kind of end of the street. It doesn't really end. It ends in a little circular rotunda thing, which doesn't appear to be that special to me, but it's just interesting. Kind of a happy hour kind of thing. Oh, it's called the common table. It's nice in there. Okay, let's keep on going down. So this is Guimara. Got somebody with a spades shirt. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down. Rua de Coimbra is next. And over here is Central Park. So I haven't filmed here in a while, but there's a nice, beautiful park here. So it's another crossroad is Rua de Coimbra. And then to the right is Taipa Central Park. Let me just kind of focus on this for a minute. So Taipa Central Park basically is all these high rises. And then in the middle there's a swimming pool, basketball, soccer. Swimming pool is quite large. Library is in there. There's all kinds of stuff. And over here, just kind of jump over here real quick. I filmed this other one a long time ago where I filmed all these together. Guimara. It's kind of cool because now they're all concentrated in that spot, right? All the construction. So anyways, looks like this is probably going to be some bus stops and the things that kind of separate the road from the sidewalk. There's a bus stop over there. So this side is getting to be a little bit more. Let me just see. I'm going to tap into Central Park for a minute. There's Central Park. There's also a playground, all kinds of stuff in there. Beautiful trees. That little spot right there is a library. It goes underground. That might be access to the library as well. And we're gonna go in here. So yeah, Rua de Guimara. Kind of following Central Taipa Park. Another entry point into that. And yeah, so this whole Central Park will have all these little overpass stuff to get into the station, and then that way it goes all the way down to the train station. It's not train, it's light rail. So there's like a little light rail that's gonna go through Taipa and then later through Macau side too. I haven't filmed in there either. Maybe I'll reference it real quick right now. So basically that area, here's our Central Taipa. That area is, that train is basically serves the tourist community. I think there's 11 stops and I think 8 of them are tourist stops. Tourist stops meaning ferry terminal, airport, the border gate that goes to China. So there's like 3 of them that go directly to immigration points. And then I believe there's 4 of them or 5 of them that go to casinos. No, 4 to casinos and 1 goes to East Asia Games. So there's only 3 normal stops in there. One is Ocean Gardens, one is the Jockey Club, which goes to some residential stuff as well. And there's one other one. Oh, there's Must University for the students. So as a resident who's living here, you basically have to live either at Jockey Club or Ocean Gardens, these 2 stations, to make the train line make any sense for you. Go a little bit further. So I'm going to follow Guimara all the way down to the end. Kind of a cool blue building at the end anyways, so we'll just go all the way down. So that way you kind of can see the whole context of it. Black and white. So yeah, now it looks like this part is finished now. So they were working on that quite a bit all the way down, but now it's this looks like quite nice and clean. So we're just gonna go down, take this crosswalk across. Yeah, so now this part is done now, looks like it. There's still a median. I think the idea behind the median is that people won't run across, I guess. Oh yeah, definitely. Huh. Good fish, it looks kind of cool. Nice little waiting room right there. So we're gonna go down a little bit further. $7-Eleven. Somebody drinking beer right there. There's a Korea massage. So I think that's like a little Korea place, I think. Yeah, foot massage, if you're curious. Korea hair salon. Then a 7-Eleven right there too. So let's just keep on walking. 7-Eleven. And now we're kind of coming out to the end of Guimara. That one they're doing like something to the ancestors. That little fire thing that you saw. These probably had big trees that were removed for some reason, or they're gonna put them in. So yeah, I bet they're gonna put trees in these three things probably later. Either that or they're taken out. And now we're at the end of the street. So this is Rua de Guimara, and all the construction all the way down. Go a little bit further, all the way to the end, I think. And actually, that's all construction there too. So they did have a giant statue there, kind of an interesting space that was not always used that well, but okay. Another massage place there. Oh yeah, the statue's still there. So since I'm kind of focusing on Guimara and that station, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go down. There's a bar right there, after 5 bar. I'm gonna go down, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Oh, I can't go down. In the past you could go all the way down like this, follow this all the way down, go down that way, and then you could go into that little spot right there, and then I was gonna show you what's going on over there, but I can't do it. It's closed. Which makes sense because they're doing construction. Okay, let's end it right there. Hope you like this one. It's kind of interesting.
Chiquinha.